someone from security. It's nothing wrong, I just need to talk with you. Security? If we got security, I know we got security here because I saw him here. So if you'll come down, I just need to talk with you, nothing major. Coming up right now, ladies and gentlemen, as I say, this tractor owned by Earl Wells out of Clinton, North Carolina, driven by John Strickland. They've been campaigning this tractor all over America here, ladies and gentlemen. People saying Alice Chambers just cannot get it done. I'm here to tell you this one has got it done. What they're looking for. This is my man right here. Hey, security, thank you so much.